What's up, friends? Here to talk about how to get our free wood chips, why we want to use them, where we're going to get them, and the best time to get them. So why we want to use them is they make a great mulch, keep the weeds down. They're going to add fertilizer to the soil as they break down over the years. They're really good for walking pathways, even if you're not doing a full-on back to Eden approach. Good to add to your compost. If you got a heavy nitrogen compost, bring in some of the browns. So they do have a lot of uses, many more uses. Chicken bedding, you can find lots of uses for wood chips around the homestead. But where we're going to get them, we can get them from getchipdrop.com. It's a free resource for you. Don't know how big a load you're going to get or when you're going to get them, but it still is a great free resource to check out. You can check out your local municipalities. A lot of times they'll have them in a park or at a pickup site for you, but then you're going to end up moving them 2 to 3 times, so that is a kind of a tough way to do it. The best luck we had, we called all our local tree services, let them know that we're looking for wood chips, where we were wanting them, when we were wanting them, that kind of stuff. As far as when, is anytime your ground's not flooded out and they can dump them as close to the drop site as you would like. For us, that's late fall, early winter, but we can talk about that a little more. This is what happens when we get our wood chips during the spring. Guys from the wood chip service got their truck stuck, and we got wood chip piles just sitting around. Summer's not as great because you're trying to garden already, although it can be done if you want to add a little bit of dirt. Fall isn't always so great because it's wet as well, but the best time of year is right now, late fall, early winter, because the truck can come in just where I walked, exactly where you want them, and dump your wood chips. Saves you a lot of time because you don't have to move them nearly as much with the wheelbarrow. You get them dumped right where you want. And like I said, to get that ground frozen up a little bit, early winter, late fall, and the trucks can get back right where you need them. As you can see though, another great time to get wood chips is whenever you can get them, because you never know when they'll be available. So if the trucks can only make it in this far, this is where we have them dump them. And we just move them from here to the food forest and get our workout in. Also helps to have a patient wife when you do it this way. Alright, if you're liking that idea of getting your free wood chips, don't forget to like that video, subscribe, and share this one around. So in conclusion, getchipdrop.com is a good place to get some free chips, and they'll drop them off when they have them available in your area. Check your local municipalities if you're willing to go pick them up, if you got the truck or the trailer to do it. Sign by the road can go a long way, so you're not chasing these trucks down. Let them know right where to drop them. And call your local tree services, give them your name, your number, your address, and let them know that you're looking for some free wood chips. See you on the next one.